Okay, today we're going to cover installing WordPress on your WHC subdomain. So head over to WHC and log in to the client area using your login. I'm already logged in, so I didn't have to do that for yourselves. Just pause this, get logged in, and then head over to Services to the C panel. So you want to go to the C panel. And you will find right under Popular Tools, One-Click Apps Installer. In there, there'll be one for WordPress. So before you start this, have a paper and pencil ready or record your password so you can record your usernames and passwords in a safe place so that you can recall them. So we're going to do an install. So click Install. And for here, you see you've got some options. We're just going to get set up. The version you want to install, keep the latest version. For the installation URL, you're going to choose your subdomain. So let's say I'm going to, for this example, use Jaden's subdomain because it's still here and he won't be using it. So I'm just, for today's demonstration purposes, going to follow through as though I were a student in the classroom named Jaden. So you will select your subdomain. So I've chosen that, and the site name. So you have to have thought of a name for your site. Let's say I know that Jaden liked fashion. Let's say he's doing a site about fashion for purposes of this. And so he gives it that name and perhaps a description. I'm just keeping it simple here and going to call it My Favorite Fashion 2019. Well, maybe not, just My Favorite Fashions. And then down here you will be prompted and supplied with, leave the username, the admin username as admin for now. The password, it generates one for you that is a strong password. You want to keep these passwords strong. Don't change it to something simple. You can regenerate by clicking on the key if you want a different one, but do have a strong password, definitely. So I'm going to take the time to just record this username, admin, and the password that was supplied to me. I'm writing it down so that I will be able to access this in the future. Okay, so I've got that. And my admin email, you could change this to be your school email address. And so that's what I'm putting in there. Language, English, and I would not do this right now. This is something you could change in the future if you wanted to. We're not going to the classic editor, and we're not managing multiple WordPress, so do not select any of those. And email installation details, you can put your email here, your school email, and we're going to click Install. Oh, you know what I think I forgot to do? I forgot to put in a folder, or maybe it will prompt me for that. We'll see. Okay, let's see what happened here. The software was installed successfully at, yeah, so yes, I did forget to put in the folder name. I did want to create a folder to put it into, so I have to do take two. How nice is that? Okay. Stop recording.